Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if you wish to force a restart of this device, all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up buttons and keep hold. Keep holding till your device is rebooted. Just a few more seconds, and once you feel the vibration, the LCD logo, you can release the buttons, and then it would be restored and you will be able to use your phone again. And now smoothly provide the screen lock password, pattern or fingerprint. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.